video, I showcase how to use 3 simple tools to do the easiest tune-up on a car you could ever do. Now, of course, that's a word right there that many of you new school people aren't going to understand, so we'll do some explaining too. So in the olden days, cars had the simplest distributor you could ever think of, the points distributor. Now in the system, you had these right here, ignition points, and their job is to open and close to control the ground to the coil. Whenever the points are closed, it's grounded and it lets energy build up in the coil. Whenever they open, well, that ground no longer is there. The field collapses and it shoots a spark out the coil, out the tower, through the spark plug wires, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, this car is equipped with an MSD 6AL box for reasons undefined, but the entire process of this works just the same. So since this is a Ford, it has this nifty, handy dandy starter solenoid mounted to the fender. Now with that, I can use my external push button to crank the engine over. Now, of course, since this is a manual car, it's in neutral. You got automatic guys, you don't have to worry so much. Now on the dwell meter, you have 2 wires. The green wire just goes to signal from the points. In this case, I always hook it up in this car to that flag terminal inside the distributor. It just makes it easier. It's a nice, easy connection. Since I'm running the MSD box, that's the best way I have. Now this black connector here, the larger one, you just hook up to a ground on the engine. In this case, I used one of the intake manifold studs. And here's what your dwell meter looks like. You can see here, you have multiple different scales, but I'm focused on this one right here, the dwell. Now, since this is a 4-cylinder, I have to use the 8-cylinder scale and just double it. This particular engine calls for between 38 to 41 degrees of dwell, so I'm basically just gonna adjust the points until I get 20 degrees of dwell. Now, since most of y'all are not going to know what dwell is, I'll explain it real quick. Dwell is just the amount of time in crankshaft degrees of duration that the points are closed. So, pretty easy concept to understand. The way that you adjust it is by loosening this here screw, and there's 2 little tanks here in the distributor. You just kind of move it back and forth with your flat blade screwdriver. You can see down in there what I'm doing. Now to check dwell, you have to have power to the ignition, so you do have to turn your key on. It's kind of hard for me to show on video exactly what's going on here, but I'll just use my starter button, I'll crank it over with the key power on, and I'll see what we get. In this case, it shows 20, which means that I have 40 degrees of dwell currently. I don't have to adjust my points, but if I did, I would just loosen it off, adjust it down there to the distributor, and go from there. Always make sure when you're done, turn key power off. This car has a button over here that I have to press down to get the key all the way off, so it's kind of hard to do one-handed. But there we go. And that's the simplicity of the dwell meter. Very easy to understand when, once you know what's going on here. And it makes it to where tune-ups are super easy. If you have one of these old cars that's not idling well, check your dwell. Now, of course, you can check the gap, but that's a little less accurate than checking dwell. So I hope y'all got something out of that short video. Maybe I'll do some more stuff like this if it's well received. If not, well then, tell me I'm a doofus. Hope y'all enjoyed.